boxes here are for you, and we have brought 6 new rowing machines for the rowing team.
These machines represent your ship, right? They represent something that can take you as far as you want it to. Now the ergometer is a tool. And what we're going to try and do today is we're going to put these things together, and then maybe if we have time, we're going to race a little bit, coach a little bit, and see what we can do. So, you ready to open these things up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's hop in. Let's go ahead and
You guys hop in.
yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Who wants to take the first stab at it? You got it? Okay.
Vamos,